Let's make blueberry and banana sundaes. This recipe makes 1 serving. For this recipe, you will need half a cup of a whole grain cereal, half of a 6-ounce container of plain or flavored non-fat or low-fat yogurt, a 1/4 cup of blueberries, these could be fresh or frozen, and half of a banana. You will also need a plate, a knife, large spoon, measuring cups, and a serving bowl. First, always wash your hands and the surfaces before working with food. Then wash all the fresh fruit. Peel and slice the bananas. Then spoon some of the yogurt into your serving bowl. Sprinkle the top with cereal and blueberries and the banana. Enjoy! Refrigerate leftovers immediately.